Hello everyone and welcome to this video which is going to explain some of the new features added into Screencastify recording software as part of the latest update. So if we do want to record our video, we do this in the same way. We go to our extension up here for Screencastify and we press record. Now it all works the same way as it has done previously, except what you can see here now is you've got some new options down at the bottom. So you can hide those if you want to, or you can keep them open. So some of these tools are really useful for helping to make your video look a bit more professional and enhancing the video itself. So for example, if I click on mouse, what it'll do, it'll bring up some different options here. So the one that it defaults to is circle around the click, so that when you click, you can see there's a circle that appears there to highlight where you're clicking. There's the classic, which doesn't have anything involved when you click. There's a fireworks one. I'm not too sure about that one. That's down to you. Maybe it's used for younger children, I suppose, but there we are. And there's a really nice one now, which is the focus mouse. So what I can do here, if I want to focus on a specific area of the screen that I'm looking at, I can actually, it will basically blur out the rest of the screen, but it will just highlight the particular area that I'm working on. So that's a really nice one. Now, if you want to use one particular mouse all the way through, you choose the one that you want and you press Save Mouse. But if you just want nothing to be there, you can choose Classic and then click Save Mouse, and it will take you back to the original options. You've also got a pen tool here where you can change the colors for whatever you want to do. Say if you want to draw around a particular part of something that you're trying to demonstrate, you can do so. And if you go to clear screen, it will remove everything that you've done. But if you go back and you want to leave things highlighted, but just erase certain pieces, you can actually just use the eraser tool and do that. But if I go back onto pen and clear the screen, it clears everything. So if I go back now, I've also got a rectangle tool, which I can choose a color to highlight a particular part of the screen that I want pupils to look at, like that. And again, you can either use the eraser or you can go back into the rectangle tool and clear screen. So if I go back now again, there's also another option here called stickers. They're interesting, I suppose. Maybe you can find a reason to use them. At the moment, I can't necessarily. It might be really good, actually, if you're actually giving feedback on a piece of work for a pupil. You could use a sticker just to say, yeah, this bit's fantastic, that bit's really great, blah, 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 blah. So that's nice too. And again, you can clear the screen then. And finally, you've also got the option to start webcam, which means that you don't have to have selected this from the very beginning. You can actually do this at a particular part of the video. So that's really nice too. And the other thing that's good here, again, is you can pause the recording and then you can resume the recording, which is nice and easy. It's an easy way to pause and start recording again. And again, you can also just end the recording like so. And once you've done that, it'll actually save your recording here in the same way that it always has done.